I don't know nothing. He's not social media friendly.
So, tell the people your name, where you're from, and a little bit about your car, man.
Okay.
Remember, you're on camera. So
Okay, hey, so, yeah, my name is Manuel Collins, from Fontana, originally from Los Angeles. My wife passed away December 10th of last year. Devastating event for me, but I purchased me a couple of nice vehicles for me and my son. You know, we have the Camaro, just bought the Chevelle not too long ago. Love the car. I have a custom license plate coming from with her nickname, TT. And yeah, so it's just, I'm enjoying life. Life is beautiful. Living out here, yeah.
And let's start with the inside, man. Let's take a look inside the car, man. How's the
definitely has a brand new head unit.
So what all did you do to the interior of the car?
Everything was the way that's the way I bought it.
Oh wow.
Except the center console. I just had that installed. And the head unit, just had that put in.
So is that Dakota Digital, Autometer, or Classic Instruments?
Probably a Dakota Digital.
And that's so you got the big face Alpine touchscreen?
Yep. That's brand new. Couple of subs in the trunk, and
So is this Tremec 6-speed?
Tremec 6-speed with an LS engine in it.
Wow.
You know?
And so when you found this car, I mean, how much did you have to vet it out before you were? Did you?
I took my mechanic with me. And
Okay.
we went to go look at it, my son and the mechanic, and went for a ride with the guy. You know, and car seemed. I mean, it had a few things. I had to redo the exhaust system because it was too low, and it was raggedy.
Okay.
So I had to put headers on it, and but other than that, I haven't had to do any mechanical work to it.
Okay. Well, let's pop the hood and take a look at what you.
Yeah. Has coilovers in the front.
Okay. So did you go what is it tubular control arms?
No, it's just the shocks.
Okay.
The coilover shocks.
So it looks like you got is that okay, you got is that Hydro Boost or just?
I have no idea.
Look like it might be an Hydro Boost, and then it's all naturally aspirated, correct?
Yes.
You got a nice serpentine system set up on there.
Yeah.
I think it's clean, man. I mean,
I need to have it detailed.
Yeah.
You know,
but you got
it's
AC
pretty
and
great
everything.
range.
I mean, shit, that's
Yeah.
you know, old school without AC is like, man, you know.
I know.
And you got
Especially in the
cup
summer.
holders too.
Yeah, cheesy cup holders.
So how does it run during the summer? Does it stay pretty cool?
Well, I haven't really driven in. I just bought it.
Okay. And then paint was already done like this too?
Yeah.
Oh,
That's
wow.
what sold me on it, the paint.
Wow.
You know, and mainly the paint.
Wow.
You know,
Clean paint, you guys. Beautiful car. Disc brakes all the way around. Yeah, I got a Cougar, and I dedicate to my grandma because that was the last car I bought when she passed away. So it's in the paint shop right now. And 68 XR7, like all pro touring. I changed all the suspension up, so I'm blacking out all the chrome and getting it painted now. Yeah, man. Well, you know what? I really appreciate you taking the time out, man, to let me talk about your car. It's a beautiful ride. I mean, your son showed it to me in the pictures. I'm like, man, I got to catch you when I come to town.
Right.
Yeah. So I appreciate it, man.
Pleasure. Nice meeting you too.
You too, man. And shout out to your past wife, man.
Yeah.
Blessings on that, man.
I've been blessed. I tell you, even though it was the biggest loss of my life, but I thank God every day for giving me her.
Yeah.
40 years. We've known each other.
Wow.
So she helped mold me to the person I am. I was very rough around the edge. One of my best friends just died about 7 days ago. And we are so much alike, you know, that I was talking to his wife, and yeah, we're a lot alike, you know, but you have to enjoy life.
That's right.
You only live once. You don't know when your time is coming. And
I think it's great your cars have brought you and your son together. You know, it's something you guys can do together. I mean, my first introduction was with my grandfather with Mustangs. So I just like seeing that bond.
No, that is what is our bond.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, we're close, but this is something we can do together. Because he's younger, I'm a lot older. I'm not into all the stuff that he does at all, you know.
Well, the fact that he's in the old school, I think is a plus. Because as soon as I see that, I say, I'm gonna like this dude.
Right,
you know,
right.
You know, classic cars it's a soul.
Yeah.
So.
And so he's always loved it.
Okay.
So I bought the Camaro first, and oh my God, I couldn't drive it. I was like, you know what, this ain't gonna work. I gotta get me a car. So that's why I ended up buying a couple of other cars, you know.
Well, man, I look forward to seeing you guys at the next one. I'm gonna come out here and hang out with you guys, man. And it's a blessing meeting you, man.
All right, take care.
Hey, man, thank you.
All right.
And appreciate it. All right.
Good meeting you.
You too. Hello, my name is Big Herc 916, and I'm with the Wash Your Ass Committee, and I'm traveling across America helping people wash their ass and get their booty holes clean. And I have with me here today Wash Your Ass soap, and this one in particular is Butt Naked Scrub, but I also have Festival, Oatmeal Milk and Honey, Jamaican Me Crazy, Monkey Farts, and all these scents smell very good. They will help cleanse your body of funk and also make you feel better about yourself. So if you can go to BigKirk916.com, you can pick you up a bar. And my goal is to help America combat funk.